Welcome to our roundup of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets that can completely transform the way you cook, prep, and enjoy your time in the kitchen. Whether you are a beginner just starting out or someone who cooks every day, the right tools can save time, reduce effort, and make every recipe more enjoyable. Today, we have selected top-rated kitchen gadgets that combine smart design, durability, and real-world performance. We will break down what makes each product special, how it improves your daily cooking routine, and why it stands out from the competition. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals on all the products mentioned. Let's dive in and find the perfect kitchen upgrade for you. The first on the list is the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. If you are tired of soggy salads or spending too much time patting lettuce dry with paper towels, this gadget is about to become your new favorite tool. The OXO spinner is built around one-handed pump mechanism, patented brake button, and non-slip base stability. With just a gentle push on the soft pump, the basket spins rapidly, removing excess water from lettuce, herbs, and even berries in seconds. The brake button instantly stops the spinning motion, giving you total control. The clear bowl doubles as a serving bowl, which means less cleanup and fewer dishes cluttering your counter. Inside, the removable basket works as a colander, making it easy to rinse and drain produce before spinning. The non-slip base keeps everything firmly in place even when spinning at high speed. This is especially useful if you are multitasking in the kitchen. What really makes this spinner stand out is its thoughtful ergonomic design. The pump walks down for compact storage, so it fits neatly inside cabinets without taking up too much space. The materials feel sturdy and durable, and it is designed to handle frequent use without wearing out quickly. From delicate herbs to hearty romaine, it dries produce evenly and efficiently. Overall, the OXO Good Grip Salad Spinner is a must-have for anyone who loves fresh salads or meal prepping. It's simple, reliable, and incredibly effective at turning freshly washed greens into crisp, ready-to-serve perfection. Next up is the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Don't let the compact size fool you. This little powerhouse delivers compact, space-saving design, quick heat technology, and dual non-stick cooking services that make breakfast both fun and effortless. Within minutes, you can enjoy perfectly golden waffles without needing a large appliance or complicated settings. The Dash heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent browning on both sides thanks to its dual non-stick surfaces. The non-stick coating makes cleanup incredibly easy. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is usually all it takes. Its lightweight and small footprint make it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or even RVs. Beyond classic waffles, this gadget is surprisingly versatile. You can use it to make hash browns, chaffles, mini paninis, and even brownie waffles. The indicator light lets you know when it's preheated and ready to use, removing any guesswork. Because it cooks single portions, it's also great for portion control or preparing quick snacks for kids. The bright, playful design adds personality to your countertop, while the sturdy build ensures long-term reliability. It's especially perfect for busy mornings when you need something fast but still homemade. Overall, the Dash Mini Waffle Maker proves that good things come in small packages. It's affordable, efficient, and versatile enough to make it a daily use favorite in almost any kitchen. Next, we have the Cosori Coffee Espresso Grinder Electric. Freshly ground coffee makes a world of difference, and this grinder is built to deliver that rich aroma and flavor every single morning. It stands out with powerful stainless steel blades, multi-use grinding capability, and large grinding capacity. The strong motor and sharp blades quickly grind coffee beans to your desired consistency, whether you prefer coarse grounds for French press or fine grounds for espresso. The one-touch operation keeps things simple. Just press down on the lid to start grinding and release to stop. This gives you full control over the texture. The stainless steel bowl is durable and easy to clean, and it can handle not just coffee beans, but also spices, nuts, and seeds. That means it doubles as a versatile kitchen grinder, saving you money and counter space. With enough capacity to grind beans from multiple cups at once, it's perfect for households with more than one coffee lover. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the grinding process without opening it, ensuring consistent results every time. The compact design fits neatly on your countertop without taking up too much space. It feels solid and well constructed, and the safety lock feature ensures it won't operate unless the lid is securely in place. Overall, the Cosori Coffee Espresso Grinder Electric is a reliable and efficient way to elevate your coffee routine. It delivers freshness, convenience, and versatility in one sleek package. Next, we have the Chef N Fresh Force Lemon Squeezer. If you regularly cook with citrus, you know how frustrating it can be to extract every drop of juice. This tool is engineered with dual-gear press mechanism, durable die-cast construction, and maximum juice extraction in mind. The innovative dual-gear system increases pressing power while reducing the effort needed from your hands. Simply place a halved lemon cut side down into the bowl and squeeze the handles together. The powerful press extracts juice efficiently while keeping seeds and pulp out of your dish. It's especially helpful when preparing dressings, marinades, cocktails, or fresh lemonade. The die-cast metal construction gives it a sturdy, premium feel. Unlike flimsy plastic juicers, this one is built to last and withstand repeated use. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable grip even when squeezing larger citrus fruits. Cleanup is easy as the tool can be rinsed quickly or placed in the dishwasher. Its compact size makes it easy to store in a drawer, yet it feels substantial in your hand when in use. Whether you're finishing a seafood dish with a squeeze of lemon or adding fresh lime juice to a recipe, this tool makes the process cleaner and more efficient. Overall, the Chef N Fresh Force Lemon Squeezer is a small but powerful gadget that saves time, reduces mess, and ensures you get the most out of every piece of citrus. The last one on our list is the Etiquette Food Kitchen Scale with Bowl. Precision is everything in cooking, and especially in baking, and this scale offers high-precision sensors, removable mixing bowl, and multiple unit conversion options. It measures ingredients accurately, helping you follow recipes with confidence and consistency. The included removable bowl makes weighing flour, sugar, fruits, and liquids simple and mess-free. You can also use your own containers thanks to the tare function, which resets the weight to 0 after placing a bowl on the scale. Switching between grams, ounces, pounds, and milliliters is quick and effortless, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes. The clear digital display is easy to read, and the buttons are responsive without being overly sensitive. Its slim design means it doesn't take up much counter space and can be stored easily when not in use. For anyone tracking portions or managing dietary goals, this scale adds an extra layer of control. The materials feel durable, and the bowl is lightweight yet sturdy. From baking bread to meal prepping for the week, accurate measurements can make a noticeable difference in results. Overall, the Etiquette Food Kitchen Scale with Bowl is an essential kitchen tool for anyone who values precision and consistency. So that wraps up our list of the best Amazon kitchen gadgets that can upgrade your cooking experience. From perfectly dried salads and freshly squeezed citrus to accurate measurements and homemade waffles, each of these tools brings something unique to the table. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.